नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे सॉफ्ट स्टार्टर के बारे में। इससे पहले के जो वीडियोस हैं उनमें हम 3 फेज इंडक्शन मोटर को स्टार्ट करने के लिए DOL मतलब डायरेक्ट ऑनलाइन स्टार्टर, स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर और VFD यानी कि फ्रीक्वेंसी कन्वर्टर की बात कर चुके हैं। तो सॉफ्ट स्टार्टर जो है इसमें जैसे VFD में या फ्रीक्वेंसी कन्वर्टर में वोल्टेज एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी दोनों को कंट्रोल किया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से मोटर की स्पीड को हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं और डिज़ायर्ड RPM पे उसको चला सकते हैं। लेकिन सॉफ्ट स्टार्टर के केस में क्या होता है, सॉफ्ट स्टार्टर फ्रीक्वेंसी को कंट्रोल नहीं करता। सॉफ्ट स्टार्टर जस्ट वोल्टेज को कंट्रोल करता है और वोल्टेज में भी सॉफ्ट स्टार्टर की लिमिटेशंस होती हैं कि सॉफ्ट स्टार्टर 30% से नीचे वोल्टेज को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता। मतलब एट द टाइम ऑफ स्टार्टिंग 3 फेज इंडक्शन मोटर विद द हेल्प ऑफ सॉफ्ट स्टार्टर you cannot further reduce the initial starting voltage below 30%। तो ये इसकी कुछ लिमिटेशंस हैं, लेकिन इसकी कॉस्ट कंपेयर टू VFD कम होती है और जहाँ स्पीड कंट्रोलिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग ही करना है किसी भी पंप, फैन या कंप्रेसर को या कन्वेयर बेल्ट को, तो वहाँ हम सॉफ्ट स्टार्टर का यूज़ करते हैं। Now in case of 3 phase induction motor, the starting torque of a motor differs significantly depending on the size of the motor. A small motor less than or equal to 30 kilowatt normally has a value of between 2.5 to 3 times of the rated torque on full applied voltage. And for a medium size motor, say up to 250 kilowatt, a typical value is between 2 to 2.5 times the rated torque because of the high inertia of rotor. Really big motors have a tendency to have a very low starting torque, sometimes even lower than the rated torque also. So it is not possible to start such a motor fully loaded, not even on dual start. So in that case also soft starter is used. A soft starter has different characteristics to the other starting method. It has thyristors in the main circuit and the motor voltage is regulated with a PCB, or we can say the firing circuit of the thyristor. The soft starter make use of fact that when the motor voltage is low during the start, the starting current and starting torque is low. During the first part of the start, the voltage to the motor is so low that it is only able to adjust the play between the gear wheel and stretching the driving belt or chain etc. So initially जो भी 30% या 40% वोल्टेज है, उससे उतना ही टॉर्क डेवलप होता है जो कि एक थोड़ी सी मोमेंट ड्राइविंग इक्विपमेंट में ला सके। इन अदर वर्ड्स, eliminating unnecessary jerk during the start। तो स्टार्टिंग में जो ड्यूएल की वजह से जर्क आता है, उस जर्क को अवॉइड किया जा सके। ग्रेजुअली द वोल्टेज एंड द टॉर्क इंक्रीज so that the machine starts to accelerate। One of the benefit with this starting method is the possibility to adjust the torque to the exact need whether the application is loaded or not। In principle, the full starting torque is available, but when the big difference that the starting procedure is much more forgiving to the driven machinery with lower maintenance cost as a result। Another feature of the soft starter is the soft stop function। With the help of the soft starter, we can make the easy stopping also, easy start, run, then coast। That is the method to stop any motor, which is very useful when stopping the pump where the problem is of water hammering। अगर हम झटके से किसी मोटर को बंद कर दें जो पंप को ड्राइव कर रही है, तो उसमें पानी की वजह से हैमरिंग होता है पाइप में। इन द पाइप सिस्टम एज डायरेक्ट स्टॉप एज फॉर स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर और DOL। This soft stop function can also be used when stopping conveyor belts to prevent material from damage when belt stops too quickly। तो उसमें भी एक जर्क आएगा। अगर झटके से बंद कर दिया जाए तो कन्वेयर बेल्ट पे जो मटेरियल है वो गिर सकता है और दूसरी चीज़ों को डैमेज कर सकता है। Now this is a single power line diagram। So this is a three-phase supply, these are the fuses, and this is the switch fuse unit। These are the oval, this is the overload relay, three contacts of overload relay, and this is our soft starter circuit having one bypass contactors in it and SCR, and this is the controlling circuit। So with the help of soft starter, any induction motor can be started softly। Now if you want to start a fan, then this is called a heavy duty start। For fans with large flywheels, select a soft starter designed for heavy duty start according to the rated motor power। It is also possible to select a soft starter for normal start, select a unit with one size bigger power rating than the motor, and use an overload relay with class 30। So if we have a motor of 15 kilowatt which is driving this fan, we can go for a soft starter having one higher capacity, say 20 kilowatt। So it is suitable to start the fan। Now these are the recommended basic settings। Startup ramp time we can keep 10 second, stop 0 second, initial voltage 30%, and current limit is recommended for use। Starting a pump is typical normal start condition। Select the soft starter according to the rated motor power। There is no need for heavy start in case of pump. And the recommended settings for soft starter: start time 10 second, stop ramp 20 second, and initial voltage 30%. In case of pump, we have to avoid the water hammering in the pipes. So in that case, we have to program stop ramp as 20 second. In case of compressors, for compressors with dual start time class less than 5 seconds, select a soft starter according to the rated motor power. If heavy duty start is required for compressor with dual starting time more than 5 seconds, select a soft starter designed for heavy duty start according to the rated motor power. It is also possible to select a soft starter for normal start. Select a unit with one size bigger power rating than the motor and use an overload relay of class 30. Recommended settings in case of compressor: startup ramp we can keep 10 second, stop ramp 0, initial voltage if it is a piston compressor keep the 30%, or if it is a screw compressor then can we go for 40%. In case of conveyor belts in cases be very long, and if belt is fully loaded during start, the starting time can be very long. For such application, select a soft starter designed for heavy duty start. It is also possible to select a soft starter for normal start. If the soft starter is chosen one size bigger than the rated motor power, use an overload relay of class 30. In this case, set the ramp start time 10 second, stop ramp 0 second, and if fragile material use 10 second stop time and initial voltage 40%. So thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.